Like to know how to join wood the easy way and create rock-solid joints that are built to last? Well, forget nails, split wood, brackets, and messy glue, and build like the pros. For over 25 years, pro woodworkers have relied on Craig jigs to build and repair furniture. Now you too can create pro joints with just a drill and a Craig jig to easily build tables, cabinets, and more. Thanks to the Craig joinery system, you can master the same techniques used by professional cabinet makers to join wood and create rock-solid joints. It's time to say goodbye to split wood and broken joints. Forget nails, brackets, and the mess of glue. Craig jigs will allow you to build all types of furniture and wood projects better and stronger with pocket holes and Craig's unique self-tapping screws. You'll learn how to build a tight square box with solid joints. And then you can build many projects, from custom picture frames to complete storage systems. So why buy weak, flimsy, ready-to-assemble furniture when you could build quality furniture yourself? And all you need is your drill and a Craig jig, and you can create rock-solid joints that are built to last on your own wood projects. The old way of doing things required clamps and glue. Alignment was difficult, and clamping always seemed to squeeze out the glue. But now, just put the Craig bit with its stepped pilot tip into any drill, and your Craig jig makes building as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, clamp down the jig with any clamp. Then drill a quick series of pocket holes at the perfect angle. And finally, drive Craig's self-tapping screws to pull the two parts together. It's just that simple. With the Craig jig, you drive hidden pocket holes that provide perfect alignment every time. You'll get ultra-strong joints with no exposed fasteners and no messy glue. And they're great for repairing failed joints in store-bought furniture, too. A Craig jig can pay for itself on the first wood project you build yourself. And be sure to use Craig's unique self-tapping screws, made for every application, to give you those rock-solid joints that are built to last. Several Craig pocket hole jigs are available right here on our website and at many fine home improvement retailers. And they all come with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. Get your own Craig pocket hole jig today.
Cut the perfect radius or chamfered corners quickly and precisely with the Woodpecker's Corner Jig. Crafted out of aircraft-grade aluminum, this robust tool is precision machined to help woodworkers easily create round or chamfered corners for tabletops, cabinets, and furniture. And easily aligns to your stock to ensure a fast, accurate cut every time. Use the corner jig with a router table or clamp it to a workbench for handheld routing. And its interchangeable insert design features 18 commonly used radius and chamfer sizes, which can be quickly swapped out and secured with 3 socket head screws, so that you can make the perfect cut the first time. The Corner Jig from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.
If you use a circular saw, this stock support kit is the solution you've needed every time you've cut a sheet of plywood. Simply screw the saddles to standard 1x3s to create a portable platform that assembles in under a minute. The platform is stable enough to allow you to kneel directly on the material without having to stretch or stoop to help follow your line more accurately. Try this time-saving system once and you'll see how it changes the way you work.
Introducing the Milescraft Drill Block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all 4 sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. For drilling holes that are straight and true, be sure to check out the Milescraft drill block. Milescraft, always the better idea.
Woodpecker's latest one-time tool, the Paulini Pocket Rules, are back by popular demand. With these clever rules, you'll carry reliability and convenience right in your shop apron's pencil pocket. The full-featured design of our Paulini Pocket Rules are the result of a close collaboration with woodworking pro Gregory Paulini. You could say it was designed by a woodworker for woodworkers, and after toting it around in your shop apron for a project or 2, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. No other small rule has all the built-in features of Woodpecker's Paulini Pocket Rule. You may have seen 1 or 2 of our features on other rules, but none that have them all. In one small rule, you get an adjustable rule stop to guarantee perfectly repeatable layout lines, just like using a T-square. Vertical end scales for precisely setting the height of router bits and table saw blades. The rule stop doubles as a stand to set the rule on edge when using the end scales, leaving both your hands free to make machine adjustments. An end notch to precisely position your pencil point for marking out. And finally, our pocket rules come in either inch, metric, or our combo inch metric scales, all engraved using state-of-the-art equipment to produce precise marks. We engrave in white on the red anodized aluminum blades for enhanced visual clarity. We use black annealed marks on the stainless steel blades that will last a lifetime and then some. Our process delivers both the durability of engraving and enhanced visual clarity. The aluminum blade is 1 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick, and the stainless steel blade is 1 inch wide by 1/16 inch thick. Both sides have scale marks, so you'll never have to read a dimension upside down. On one side, you see 1/32 inch and 1/16 inch marks with a 1/32 inch vertical end scale. On the opposite side, you'll see 1/16 inch and 1/32 inch marks. The end scale on this side has 1/16 inch marks. Metric models use 1 mm marks on both sides and end scales. For woodworkers who prefer rules with both imperial and metric scales, we have the Pocket Rule for you. Our combo scale rules feature 1/32 inch and 1 mm scales on one side with a 1/32 inch vertical end scale. On the other side, we engrave 1 mm and 1/16 inch scales on the long edges with a 1 mm vertical end scale. Our aluminum and stainless steel Paulini Pocket Rules come in 3 different lengths with either imperial, metric, or our combo inch metric scales. Choose from 6 inch or 8 inch long pocket size models, or the 12 inch length that's ideal for bench work. Metric lengths are 150 millimeters, 200 millimeters, or 300 millimeters. You can order any Paulini Pocket Rule length in imperial, metric, or combo inch metric scales individually, or choose the full set of imperial, metric, and combo rules in either aluminum or stainless steel and get all 3 at a savings. So, if you're looking for pocket rules like no other for your apron pocket or tool bench that are truly indispensable, get the new Paulini Pocket Rules from Woodpeckers. Like all Woodpeckers one-time tools, Woodpeckers Paulini Pocket Rules are manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment operated by highly skilled machinists in our company's shop located near Cleveland, Ohio in the USA.